Good morning! You're watching Tap in Time. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're not already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So, without further ado, let's tap in time. In today's video, we're going to be working on a time step combination for a beginner's level. So, let's begin. Before watching this video, if you haven't already, be sure to check out the playlist Time Steps that is up on the channel, as I run through how to perform the single, double and triple time steps in more detail. So, standing in parallel with our knees slightly bent, we are going to rise onto the balls of our feet like so. Starting with the right leg first, we are going to perform the single time steps with a single break like so. Then, with the left leg, we also have the single time steps with a single break. Perfect! From here we have the double time steps with a double break, starting with the right leg first. Then, with the left leg, we also have the double time steps with a double break, like so. And finally, again starting with the right leg, we have the triple time steps with a triple break like so. And then, with the left leg, we also have the triple time steps with a triple break. Perfect! Before we place this time step combination with some music, let's recap the combination from the beginning. So we have the single time steps, followed by the double time steps, followed by the triple time steps. So standing in parallel with our knees slightly bent, rising onto the balls of our feet. Perfect! Now let's place this time step combination with some music. Perfect. So there you have it, a time step combination for a beginner's level. soon.